Hello, everyone. In our last chapter, we explored insurance, how it helps protect money and give peace of mind. Today, we're jumping into something equally important: business management. Imagine a business as a big group project. There are ideas to plan, tasks to assign, and goals to reach. Business managers are like the leaders of that project. They make sure everyone knows what to do, work is done well, and the group reaches success. They're the brain behind the business engine. Why do businesses need managers? Without managers, companies can become chaotic. People might double up on tasks or forget key steps. Managers keep everything running smoothly. They save time, set goals, and solve problems quickly. Think of them as a team captain. They encourage, organize, and help the whole group win. What does a manager do? Managers do four key things: plan, organize, lead, and control. Planning is about what needs to be done. Organizing means figuring out who does what. Leading is helping the team stay motivated, and controlling means checking if everything is on track. In a school project, the manager would set the timeline, assign slides, help solve arguments, and make sure the presentation is ready. Planning and organizing. Planning gives the business direction. Without it, people could be working hard, but in different directions. Organizing is about placing people where they work best, giving them the right tools, and structuring the timeline. It's like organizing a school event. You need someone to make the posters, another to collect names, and someone to manage the time. That's planning and organizing in action. Building strong teams. A strong team makes a strong business. Managers bring together people with different talents. One may be great at solving problems, another at talking to customers, and another at using technology. When people feel respected and supported, they work better. That's why communication and teamwork are so important in business, and school too. What is delegation? Managers can't do everything themselves. Delegation means sharing the work in a smart way. If you've ever led a class project, you know that you can't make the slides, do the research, and give the speech all by yourself. Good managers know when to share responsibilities and who to trust with what. Why good delegation matters. Delegation lets teams move faster and helps others learn. When a manager delegates well, people feel trusted, take ownership, and gain confidence. Plus, it frees the manager to focus on planning and solving bigger challenges. It's not just sharing the load, it's building a smarter, stronger team. What is human resource management? HR is the heart of the people side of a business. They hire, train, support, and listen to employees. They're the ones making sure people feel safe, valued, and productive. It's like having a school counselor for the business world, someone who makes sure everyone is doing well and being treated fairly. Hiring the right people. HR starts by writing clear job descriptions. They interview people to find the best match, not just by skills, but personality too. Hiring is like choosing your teammates for a group project. You want someone reliable, hardworking, and easy to work with. Keeping employees happy. People do their best when they're happy. HR helps by creating a positive environment, recognizing achievements, and supporting work-life balance. Even small things like saying "great job" or offering a day off after hard work can make a big difference. Thinking big picture. Strategic thinking means looking beyond today. It's about planning for next month, next year, or 5 years ahead. A manager might ask, where do we want this company to be in 5 years? Then they create a plan to get there. Creating a company vision. A company's vision is like a mission statement or motto. It gives everyone direction and purpose. It's what keeps employees motivated and connected to a bigger goal. It's like your school's motto, but for a business: making smart decisions. Managers make decisions all the time: who to hire, what to invest in, which project to start. They gather facts, weigh options, and choose wisely. Just like when you decide which high school to apply for, you think carefully before making a big move. What is a budget? A budget is a plan for how money is used. It tracks income and expenses so businesses don't overspend. It's like your pocket money. You decide how much to spend on snacks, games, or savings. A company does the same, just with bigger numbers. What are KPIs? KPIs are like business report cards. They measure success, how many products sold, how happy customers are, or how fast orders are delivered. It's like your grades. If you're aiming for a top score, KPIs show whether you're on track or need to improve. How managers help businesses grow. Managers think about how to expand the business. Maybe it's reaching new customers, launching a new product, or saving money by improving efficiency. They make small decisions every day that lead to big growth over time. Career roles in business operations. There are many paths in business: operations manager, HR specialist, project leader, finance analyst. Whether you like planning, talking to people, working with numbers, or solving problems, there's a business role for you. Skills needed to succeed. Want to succeed in business? Practice communication, problem solving, and teamwork. These are useful in school, work, and life. Even leading a school event can help build those skills. Is business management right for you? Do you enjoy helping others, solving problems, leading a group? Then you might love business management. It's a job where every day is different and every decision matters. Your journey starts now. You don't have to wait to be a manager. Start by leading your team in class, organizing a project, or helping a group stay focused. Each small step builds the skills of tomorrow's leaders. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be running your own business.